I love the flower girl, the rain, the park, and other things. A 60s song. From the Rodster Art studio in Colony, Texas. Tonewood effects. I saw her sitting in the rain. Raindrops falling on her. She didn't seem to care. She sat there and smiled at me. And then I knew she could make me happy, happy, happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere, everywhere. I love the flower girl. I don't know just why, she simply caught my eye. I love the flower girl. She seemed so sweet and kind. She crept into my mind, to my mind, into my mind. I knew I had to say hello, hello, hello. She smiled up at me, and she took my hand, and we walked through the park alone. And then I knew she could make me happy, happy, happy. Oh, flowers in her hair, oh, flowers everywhere, everywhere. I love the flower girl. Oh, I don't know just why, she simply caught my eye. I love the flower girl. She seemed so sweet and kind. She crept into my mind, to my mind, to my mind. And suddenly the sun broke through. See the sun. I turned around, she was gone. Where did she go? And all I had left was one little flower in my hand. But I knew that she could make me happy, happy, happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere, everywhere. I love the flower girl. Was she reality or just a dream of me? I love the flower girl. Her love showed me the way to find a sunny day. Sunny day, sunny day. I love the flower girl. Was she reality or just a dream of me?